Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to assign two salesmen to an account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In Salesforce, assigning two salespeople to a single account requires a bit of configuration because by default the account owner field only allows for one owner. So what you can do is first head over and open up your Salesforce app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Then you can use account team. To do it, head over and open up your setup, then search for and click on account teams, and then click enable account teams, and then configure which roles you want available, example primary sales rep or secondary sales rep, and then go to account record, then click add team members in account team related list, and then add both salespeople with respective roles. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.